Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're doing a walk around on a 1966 Chevy 2 Nova. Believed to be 350 under the hood. This motor has been built. This is a fast motor, fast car. Aluminum radiator, power steering, front disc brakes. Runs and drives good. Definitely check out the test drive video. Get more into depth about the driving. This is going to be the walk around video, pointing out any kind of flaws we can find on the paint job, interior, trunk. I got it all open, so I'm not flipping the camera around. Definitely hit subscribe. Post videos every single day. We also do a music channel called Southgate Production, so if you want to hear more of the music like at the intro, I made all that. So go over to that channel as well. MapleMotors.com has financing and shipping information. You can check that out with all of our inventory. We got a whole classic car lot full of them. Let's get started. Coming around the front of this car, it does have a decent set of tires on it with American Racing wheels. The bumper's been replaced around the front end. The grille is nice and clean. The paint on this car is slick. What I mean slick, I'm going down the side right now. This is not gonna take too long to do this walk around. Just kind of checking anything. Any blemishes that I find, I will let you know of. There's a tiny little speck right there. I don't even know if it's gonna pop up on the camera. This is a beautiful car. Weather stripping's been replaced around the trunk. It is not leaking. Look how nice the trunk is in this one. It has been painted. And it looks good. Looking up in the package tray, it's solid. This car smells like a new pair of tennis shoes. You'll probably notice that if you're interested in buying it when you get here. It smells good. Bumper's been replaced on the back as well. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the trunk down. It's got a good spring in it. There's a slight dent in the back. I guarantee it's somebody's hand. It's like perfect. I am looking for flaws. I really am. I'm not talking much, but it's just pretty. It's like a little chip down here at the bottom corner of the door. Door handle's been replaced. Trim's pitted right there in the corner. Well, that's a nice paint job. They did good. And it's on the, it's hard to paint black, make it look that slick. We don't paint any of the cars, we just buy all of them the way they are. That's why I'm doing the videos, pointing out any kind of flaws. I thought I felt rain. It's trying to rain on me out here. Really? Tennessee for you. Yeah, I was on the test drive and they got this tack zip tied on the column. I'd mount that somewhere else. It does work, but that wasn't quite right there. The interior's in great shape. Headliner's not too bad. It's got some imperfections in it, but it still looks good. not all ripped up. The dash is nice and clean as well. B&M shifter, gauges under the dash do work. Go ahead, place your bets. You think the horn works though? Weather stripping around the door. Looks good. Just an overall clean car. Look at it trying to rain. Radio doesn't work on this one. I couldn't get the blower motor to cut on either. Windshield wipers, they do work. Might need those. Horn, not so much. Oh, gas gauge does work. Speedometer works. And it's showing, I can't stand behind those miles, but I can show it to you. Carpet in this car has been replaced, and it looks pretty good. Definitely check out that test drive video. I cut the windshield wipers off because it's got the wrong blades on there. I didn't want to scratch the window, but I forgot that it had the wrong blades on there. So we're gonna put them back down before I mess something up. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots and then we're gonna call it. It's trying to rain, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and get through this. This car is slick. As you can tell, I got detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this all the time. You can get financed and shipping all at maplemotors.com, so definitely check that out. I'm gonna be getting some other cars. Have tons for you to post this week. We got a full update on Monday. Let's get it. Y'all have a good one.